Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're talking about the Toyota Fuel Cap 77300 06040 Fuel Cap. This small but crucial component is often overlooked, but let me tell you, it can make a huge difference in the performance and efficiency of your vehicle. First of all, let's talk about the quality of this fuel cap. It's made by Toyota, a brand known for its commitment to excellence and reliability. This means you can trust that this fuel cap is built to last and will perform flawlessly for years to come. Next, let's discuss the importance of a properly functioning fuel cap. A fuel cap is not just a simple cover for your fuel tank, it plays an important role in maintaining the proper fuel pressure and preventing fuel from evaporating. A faulty or old fuel cap can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and even damage to your engine. With a weight of just 0.1 pounds and a package quantity of 1, this fuel cap is lightweight and easy to install. You won't have to worry about any complicated installation process or added bulk to your vehicle. In conclusion, the Toyota Fuel Cap 77300 06040 Fuel Cap is a must-have for any vehicle owner who cares about maintaining the efficiency and performance of their engine. Don't overlook the importance of this small but crucial component. Take the first step towards improving your vehicle's performance by clicking the link in the description to purchase this product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.